beautiful people. Day one. Ụtụtụ ọma to everybody. Ụtụtụ ọma to everybody. How are you guys doing? Yes. Remember that Chaiko cares. My fans on Facebook, I appreciate you all. I hope you guys are doing great. I remain Mrs. Charity, aka Chaiko Nwa Jesus Adansuka. Remember that if anything we are doing on this life, we should put God first. We bless the name of the God. We bless the name of the Lord, and we thank Him for His grace upon our life. Today, I am presenting to you guys, should I say, one of my best products, Longri toothpaste. Yay! Do you know why I said it's my best product? Because I've used it to save somebody's life. Okay? God heals, but Chaiko cares. Yeah. Longri toothpaste is one of the products that I am 100% sure of. So, remember that I have a channel on YouTube, Chaiko Nwa Jesus Ginika. Instagram, Chaiko Nwa Jesus. Facebook here, Chaiko Nwa Jesus. Please follow me on these pages. Get a very good information that will help your life. Even though it doesn't help, it can help somebody else. Don't get it twisted. It can help somebody else even though it doesn't help you. Yes, today we are talking about Longri toothpaste. See the one I'm using. See, yeah, this toothpaste is one of the best products I can testify of, together with our salt cream. Yes, Longri toothpaste contains white tea that helps to protect the gum, even if you are not having toothache. But it is good to prevent. They said prevention is better than cure. Prevent it before it turns to ache. Yes, Longri toothpaste, many people have been testifying. It's not only me. Many people have been testifying about Longri toothpaste. Now, Longri toothpaste also contains xylitol. This xylitol helps to, strengthen your teeth gum and also whiten your teeth. These two contents, white tea and xylitol, it helps to strengthen your gum and also make your teeth to be white. Yes. Dr. Ida Uzo, one of our Longreach partner, she joined Longri because she was having bleeding gum. She was having a serious toothache that she wanted to go and remove. Then, see as angel. If angels want to help you, they will send somebody to come and help you. So one of her friends introduced this Longri toothpaste to her. She bought it and used it. I'm telling you, today she joined Longreach and she keeps testifying to people, and people are joining Longreach through using this space as well. So she has built a massive team of people using Longreach toothpaste, and she's earning, let me say, 7 to 8 figures weekly. She's now a star director in Longreach. That is what we are talking about. Like me, I am using their paste. And as you can see, I can smile anytime, any day, anywhere, any place I'm going. You will see me smiling, showcasing my teeth. You got that good? So, apart from toothache, this Longri is curing toothache. It has many other things that it cures. Don't get it twisted. It has many other things that it cures. You see this man, that used to shave, after shaving they'll be having bumps. Try this toothpaste. Yes, this toothpaste, this is the big one, we have small one. Try this toothpaste. After shaving, rub this toothpaste, use it to cover that place, that your area you shaved, even the back. If you have that bump again, means that I'm lying. But if this toothpaste cures that bumps, and those boil, I say bumps, boil, sorry, cures that boils on your jaw and the back of your head after shaving, then don't forget to thank me later. Where you can get this toothpaste, you can get it anywhere you are living, both in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, Africa, South Africa, Ghana, Uganda, Cameroon, USA. In fact, in India, Longreach is operating there. So your own is to just inbox me or contact me, or anybody that share this video to you, contact her or him to direct you where you are going to get yours. Okay, it is very, very affordable, and the work is times 100. Yes, another work of this toothpaste is this: it cures pimple and sunburn. You heard me right, it cures pimple and sunburn. Please, if you join us, drop where you are watching us from. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try and subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be able to be notified. Remember, I am here to talk about health. I am here to talk about dancing to eliminate excess fat. I am here to show you things that you will use for your skin. I am here to introduce to you business, in fact, a lot of things. Okay, so try and follow my page, try and follow my Facebook channel, my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you didn't join us live, you are going to watch a replay. Please try and share this video. Okay, thank you all. This is it. This toothpaste cures pimple. Do you know what? Before, I don't used to eat groundnut, but now I can eat as many groundnut as I can. Because before, when I'll be eating groundnut, pimple will be all over my face. But since I started using Longreach product, I found out that this toothpaste, this particular toothpaste, they cure pimples, sunburn. That is, you have been rubbing cream and the thing that is painting you blue and black. Then use this toothpaste, use it for face mask, use it and do face mask every night. In the morning, you wash it off. Boom, you will have a brighter face, a very clean face, and a brighter face. You'll be looking so lovely. Then you now apply their salt cream. Like I said, you can get it in our stocking center near you. Your own is just to contact me or contact anybody that share this video to you. Okay, inbox me. Men, women, is for, you can use it to treat pimple, toothache, bruises, like somebody fell down and have a wound. You can use this toothpaste to, you apply the toothpaste on that wound area. I give you 3 days, just 3 days, that wound will turn back to normal skin. It will heal and the skin will turn back to normal skin. The work is too much. The work is too much. And the good thing is, you can partner with this company by just getting this toothpaste. You can become your own boss, You can become a business owner by using just this toothpaste. Thank you, ma, for joining me. Good morning. Please share this video. If you join us, share. So you can partner with this company with this toothpaste. Okay, this toothpaste does a lot of work, and many people, it has helped them in one way or the other. Like I said, it has cured my pimple. I can eat groundnut as many as possible. Once I see even one single pimple, I'll just apply my toothpaste. Then I wash it off in the morning, and my face, 3 days, the pimple will go and my face keeps, shining. Okay guys, in my next video, I'll be talking about Longreach Salt Cream. This toothpaste come into Longreach company. Get 1 toothpaste, 2 toothpaste, 3 toothpaste, carton of toothpaste. You will be given a special code. When you are given a special code, then you have now become a business owner. You distribute for Longreach, you use their products, you share the testimonies as I'm sharing the testimony with you guys, you share it with others that need this product. They are out there, they are much, they need that ache, that teeth that is paining them to be cured. So it is left for you to help your loved ones who have been suffering for toothache for so many years, for so long. It is left for you to help them with this toothpaste. Introduce this toothpaste for them. They will get it and thank you later. Yes, when you use this product, you tell others about this product, and Longreach pays you in return. Longreach partners are being paid every week. Won't you like a company that will pay you for using their product and also telling others to do same? For people that are saying they cannot talk to people, we have a way of doing it. If you cannot talk to people, you have your Android phone. You can use your Android phone to talk to people. Okay? Good thing is good thing. Live healthy with Longreach products. Share the goodness with Longreach products. Share the business opportunity with Longreach products. It is not a must that you will quit your job to join Longreach. It is not a must that you will quit whatever you are doing to join Longreach. If you don't even have any business that you are doing, thank you for watching me, Chini Pretty. I love you guys. Please share this video as you join us. It is not a must that you will get all the money in this world before you can join Longreach. You can join Longreach with just this toothpaste that I introduce you. You can join Longreach with 1 carton of toothpaste. Anything you can afford, but try and get your own business that you are doing. You can become the boss of your own. Everything is in your hands. Thank you all for loving me. Thank you all for following my page. Remember, I have a YouTube channel. Please try and subscribe. Love you guys. Share this video. This video might help somebody. As a man in my page, you can get 1 toothpaste, use it and be applying on that boils that used to, after shaving your head, you'll be having boils all over, even at the back. As a woman, buy it for your husband. Your husband can be using it to, treat that boils after shaving hair, and equally, even a mouth odor. Yes, I forget, mouth odor. This toothpaste also help in mouth odor. Somebody testified to me that the husband is having ulcer. If he's using other products, since she ordered this toothpaste, that her husband has been using it to brush his teeth, and she has not been having stomach turning. But if he's using other products, he will be experiencing, after brushing teeth, his stomach will start turning him. But since I introduced this Longreach toothpaste, the husband has been using it, and those after brushing teeth, he's not experiencing any stomach turning again. It's a big testimony. You can use this Longreach toothpaste to help so many people's life. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not making mouth, but it's the fact and it's the truth. So guys, this is where I will stop for today. My next video will be on our Longreach salt cream. The cream I'm rubbing. So pardon me guys, because this cream is giving me excess joy. Since I started using that cream, if I use any other cream, the thing will be, on a memo. Bye bye guys. Share this video, share it, and continue to be blessed. Bye.